10,000 feet go. What are you doing, bud? Uh-oh, you got the hiccups from talking too much, huh?